Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Need some Carmex. This is like a routine in every video. I have to put on Carmex because I keep forgetting how dry my lips are. So we're just gonna moisturize them, make them glossy. If you guys didn't notice, I don't wear makeup. All I wear is Carmex. Do you want a cookie? No, I don't. Yes, I do. Anyways, guys, we're gonna do a mukbang today. We'll see if this video makes it on the channel. But no, me and my sisters are doing a mukbang, and I'm gonna be getting Chick-fil-A, and me and my sisters getting Chick-fil-A, and my other two sisters are having seafood. But I don't really know what we're gonna talk about, so we have to come up with some topics. I'm sorry if my closet is bothering you because it's open. I'm gonna just close that. I've really been enjoying making like vlog style content because it's the easiest to like film and edit. So I've been enjoying it. I'm gonna show you guys my little outfit of the day. I need to clear the floor though before you guys see like all the mess. So I have on this crop top from Target. It's really cold outside, so I will be putting on a coat, but I'm getting in the car, so I'm probably gonna bring my coat anyways. So this is from Target. The pants, I have on these Victoria's Secret pink leggings that I got like so many years ago. And then I have on this like fuzzy jacket from Burlington. I think it's gonna be in one of my videos where I show you guys that I bought it because I vlogged it. And I think I'm gonna just put on some Crocs, or probably not, probably put on my Uggs because it is cold and I don't want my ankles to be out. So, ooh, why are we zoomed in? It doesn't look like we zoomed in. So I'm just waiting on my sister to get here, and then I'm gonna be vlogging. Okay, so my sister's on her way here, so I'm just packing like a little bag because we're probably gonna be there for like a while. So I'm gonna take my computer with me and my charger. Look at this, we love the pink aesthetic. We got a pink computer, a pink bag, a pink camera case. Where's my AirPods? I'm just gonna put on my coat. I don't know why I gotta explain what I'm doing. Like, all I have to do is just do it. I'm gonna wrap this because it doesn't have any buttons to close it. So I have my phone and everything, and we're gonna go. I'm so hungry. I did not eat. So we finally made it. I got my Chick-fil-A.
Oh my god.
They have nasty seafood.
Sick on this. I am fiending. I've been fiending. This has to be mine.
Okay, so we got some Chick-fil-A sauces.
I thought you were using no Chick-fil-A.
Why are we all sitting like this? So I don't know how this is about to go, but I got a regular chicken sandwich, no pickles. I got a lemonade.
We turn the table this way, and we
I got fries. Some Chick-fil-A sauce. I'm so hungry.
Inside of it?
What time? Ain't nobody show they food.
I can put them on Snap. So me and Andre got
and a chicken sandwich.
I got seafood boil, corn, potatoes, crab.
Chicken sandwich with bacon. Never had this one before. But first time for everything.
You can't see everybody on my live, but
Excuse me, Manners. Stop touching my stuff after
we
her.
doing mukbang.
Alright, so here we go. Everyone should be able to answer this. What makes you angry?
You.
This video.
This whole day.
I'll see y'all later.
This whole day from yesterday.
Shanae, please, if you move it, it's gonna
I'm
stop.
moving it. Now I'm not in it.
What would you change about yourself if you could?
Nothing. I think I would
My
change
shoe size?
Y'all always have the jokes.
My height.
So I could be a size 3.
I'm gonna be a 6 feet.
with no injuries.
You want to be 6
We're joking or for real?
I'm over here trying to be for real. Y'all over here playing.
What would you change about yourself if you could?
I don't think I would change.
I would change the fact that I am a procrastinator. Not
I think
a
I would
big
change
one.
my anger. I feel like I'd be ready to
No, I feel like I need to be
Okay,
angry.
change my height.
over it.
No, I feel like I'm
Step on
always
people.
like I'm so quick to
Oh, yeah.
attack instead of talk. I would want to change that. I would want to be able to be a talker like half of these people are, and not be an attacker.
Peacemakers talk about it. They don't fight about it. They
I want to change. I'm so tired of these tits. I probably want to change my breasts. I'm so sick.
All right.
They
I
just
was like,
be
what would
in
you
my
change
way.
about shoes?
My height, yeah.
Fashion, what you said? Your shoes?
I said my shoe size and I would I guess just like not having anxiety.
Oh, that's
How
a good
some
one.
people
That's
are
true.
the loudest person in the room. I would rather. I think I would. No, I don't know if I would want to be that.
You would actually. Wait, you said
I don't want to be the loudest person in the room. But I like how people have a lot of confidence even when they look ridiculous.
Oh, yeah,
That's true. See, in your mind, they look ridiculous, but
But
in
to
their
them,
mind,
they
they
don't
look
care.
good.
They don't care, so they're really
Yeah, they got some strong confidence. All right, so starting on the money,
You look like
what
that.
makes you unique?
Everything.
Do you see this
Everything
coat?
about me. I feel like my personality.
He taking stuff out the kitchen.
All
What you guys wants to be the main character.
All right.
No, I don't want to be the main
She sure
character.
do.
I'm not going to be the main
So bad.
character.
She know about
I
it.
said I want to do a mukbang. So
You didn't answer the questions.
I feel like, not to sound cocky or nothing, I just feel like I'm just a unique person. But you know the memes when they be like, oh, once you catch my vibe, it's going to be hard for you to get rid of. It's just the type of person
you have a
I am.
vibe.
I have a vibe. I'm a
What
sweet,
kind of vibe?
caring person, the vibe that I
Nigga,
love.
we all got a vibe.
Anyway, you know what?
We
Nothing. Nothing. Okay, nothing. Because y'all mad
Her
annoying.
vibe.
Sit down.
So y'all make
Is it
fun of me?
V-Y-B-E, a vibe? You're a vibe. It's
You
just
said,
that's a
we
vibe.
all a vibe.
She said you feel that vibe.
You already know what it is.
So I'm a joke.
No, it was just funny.
Okay.
She said you feel that
I
vibe.
make
It's
you
She
contagious.
said,
What is unique?
you'll
Like,
never
just
find
look at
another
me like, what the? I just told
You
you.
see this
know
coat?
why.
You see this coat?
Literally, that's what everybody
My hair, bro.
feels.
I don't got nothing done. Feet get
break
lit all the
reality.
time.
But, all right,
all the
just
time.
go and sit that way.
So, you know, the
That's-
Lord took his time when he made me. That's
He
all
took
I'm
his
saying.
time.
Okay?
Fashion, I'm a vibe too.
No
'Cause I'm
Okay,
a
what did
vibe.
y'all? What was the question?
What makes you unique?
Oh,
Y'all trying to be funny.
my name.
It's hot in here.
Stop taking my M&M peanuts off.
My name did that for
You need
me.
the M&M peanuts off.
My name is
Can y'all
unique
leave the
too.
magnets? Y'all trying to make fun of me?
What?
She said,
Y'all keep
feel
on
the
saying
vibe.
vibe.
I didn't say vibe.
You feel
I
that
said
vibe
my
is
name makes me
contagious.
unique. The word
I got
vibe,
that
not
voodoo
vibe.
African dashiki vibe.
All right, so we're gonna see who knows Amani. Does she like? Easy.
No, but
We're gonna see who knows Amani the best.
Okay.
Um,
Sala.
Amani's
Why
favorite
are we
food
picking
of
Amani?
all time. What
What's
is
my-
it?
Food?
Oatmeal pie.
Food.
No, food, not snack. Food.
Um.
Thank you. Say it louder. Say it louder. It's in the back section.
noodles.
Say it louder. Shrimp Alfredo.
I did not know that.
Anything with shrimp. Anything with
Chicken
shrimp.
shrimp Alfredo.
Girl, I was saying
Fashion already knew.
I was gonna say the ramen noodles. Azare's favorite dish.
Wait, move
Please.
You can't even see it.
She likes veggie
Some
burgers.
vegan-
Veggie burgers.
Vegan ice cream.
Right.
She don't even. Please.
She don't even eat
Burgers.
What's your favorite dish?
She likes chicken.
My favorite dish is salmon.
That's right. She does get that.
salmon with what? Just plain salmon. What kind
I
of
need some
salmon?
tracks.
I mean, I guess
Fried
it's
beef.
any salmon, right?
Salmon. That's it. That's it.
All right. So, what is fashion's favorite food of all time?
Pizza. Oreos.
No, your favorite
And
food
bananas.
is
I don't know.
Old House. That's mommy.
I don't know.
What is your favorite
What's your favorite
food?
food?
I like
Pasta.
pasta.
Well, y'all should know
Come on,
mine.
tip of the tongue.
Mac and cheese.
Mayonnaise.
All right, boom. So, what's my favorite movie of all time?
Home Alone.
Two. Because you're wrong.
All right, another one. All right, another one.
Let's
Another
leave
one.
from
Bonus.
chicken.
Why you bringing
A bonus.
What's
Go
my,
ahead.
okay,
No
let
more
everybody else
strawberries.
finish.
All right,
You ain't gonna be
bonus.
skipping chicken people.
I'm not skipping nobody. That's my bonus.
What's my favorite movie?
13 going on 30.
And what else?
I don't know.
What's the other one?
I don't know.
Bonus. What's the other one?
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Hell no. What's the other one? Come on now, we watched it all the time with the vampire.
You said, oh, Dracula.
No.
Dracula with Jack.
With Jim Carrey.
You talking about one
One, yeah.
But still, stop. Dracula. What's my favorite movie of all time?
Tom the Yard.
No, it's not. No, it's not. What is the movie that I watch? It's two of them. It's a dancing movie and then it's a scary movie.
13 Ghosts.
13 Ghosts and what else?
Flashdance.
No.
You said it's a
dancing movie. Y'all know this.
Dirty Dancing.
No. Dirty Dancing is one too, but no. Y'all know. Do I need? No.
Wait.
Y'all ready?
Wait, no. Shut up.
Oh my God.
Shut up.
Y'all know it's a dancing movie. It gotta
Stomp
be.
the Yard.
No. It's a back in the day. Malachi.
Hey, what?
Malachi.
I don't know.
The white girl. The white girl. I don't know.
Save the Last Dance?
Yes. What's
Oh my God,
You know what
no.
that just reminded me of? When we was trying to figure out people's names. I'm like,
What?
I don't know his name. I don't even know it.
We was in the house trying to figure out the house.
What's the dad name? It starts with an M.
We were like, Curtis, Ella.
No, she said, I said, give me the beginning name issue, and I know. Back when she said M, I said,
I didn't even know his name. I was just like, I'm gonna keep guessing until we figure it out.
All right. Who else
Fashion favorite movie.
Hair Trap.
Really?
That's my favorite movie.
I was right.
Hair Trap.
No, throw it in the garbage.
Clue is mine too.
Giving y'all the
I
answer.
asked what was my other ones, nobody could answer.
Home Alone.
Home Alone, Wizard of
Read it.
Oz, Fifth Element.
Oh, yeah, Fifth Element.
Look
It's
Who's
Home Alone
Talking.
2.
But I thought you said only two.
The Devil Wears
You're
Prada.
doing all of that. I thought you
I
said
need
two.
some garment.
Clue.
I thought you said two.
Just in case, so y'all need to give me something for my birthday. My favorite fast food spot.
nasty.
They used to be Wendy's, but they food is so nasty.
I would have to say Chick-fil-A by default right now.
Facts.
It was very tasty.
The best fast food, I don't eat fast food.
I ate
In
it.
and out.
I could say Shake Shack. Shake Shack.
I would say In and Out
This one,
burger.
this one is
Shake Shack is good, but they fries don't even mean that.
Y'all
Nah, their fries is good.
Look at this.
Not,
Show the camera, sorry.
no. She took me show alive.
You rather comfy or dressed up?
I be comfy.
Dressed up.
It all depends on where I'm going.
If you had a whole full wardrobe of looking dressed up, you would go for sweatpants.
What?
That
You
one.
said comfy, money.
Yeah, I said it all depends on where I'm going.
Chicken.
What do you prefer, the comfort or the elegance?
Probably comfort. This is the wackest mukbang ever.
This or that? Wale or Ace Hood? Dreadhead.
Ace Hood, I think.
Ace Hood.
It's good. I don't know why they took the
Wale?
same
L?
conversation.
What was I supposed to say? They dark skin was red.
I mean,
Alright.
It's an easy pick.
that was Ace Hood look way better than Wale if you're talking about looks.
Jay-Z or Diddy?
And money wise,
Everything.
None.
And everything. I'm a bachelor.
I think I would.
Jay-Z.
I probably pick Diddy.
I pick Jay-Z.
I probably pick Diddy. Tanya, what you would pick?
I said Jay-Z like fashion.
You hungry?
I asked this whole for a
Work
coin.
your nigga.
Wow. Here you go.
My thing is right there.
What is the tea? The girls are fighting.
Okay, what's next?
Oh, this corn tastes mad good.
Tyrese or
Tyrese.
right? Tyrese, automatically Tyrese.
Tyrese.
However you doing now?
And who you think is gonna? You got a
Anyway,
Disney.
so
Ashton, what about you?
Osri's song is oh, I know the song.
What is your song?
I know it.
She played all the time.
I know
This
it.
is how we do
No,
it.
it's a back in the day joint.
Thank you.
No, that more. That more.
This is back in the day joint. Oh my god.
How far back we
Is it the no wait? It's not the one I told Saran to send to you, right? Pat Benatar? Love
We
is
Are
Young?
Young?
No, girl, no.
Okay.
It's
It's
another
one.
It's
Okay.
another one, honey.
Damn, what is that
Woo!
song?
Dig deep. It starts with
It starts with a what, Ella?
Yeah, sorry, tell us, what's your song?
It starts. My song is. What song? It's a dance. It's a house song. House music song. Come on.
Let the music play?
No. That's Shanye's song.
It is! Let the music play. You want good?
You wanna know why we don't know her favorite song? Because when we get in the car, she put headphones on.
That song is. He wakes up early every morning.
What is it, the Gypsy something?
Cause she can't her
Makeup.
She never had a makeup.
By putting your headphones on, then.
You're gonna swing from the chandelier.
No.
What is Fashion's favorite song?
No.
Gonna sing no,
Girl,
baby. You gotta go back one.
One of Young Gunna songs.
Her favorite song.
Young Gunna?
No.
Not Young Gunna.
Young Gunna. What is it?
Gunna.
Her favorite song was
I don't know.
He was a scared boy when she was emo. She said
Avril Lavigne.
Nobody was emo.
He wasn't
So
good.
please.
He wasn't good enough.
No, what is your...
Now she's a superstar, celebrity on his guitar.
What's that?
Nobody's gonna guess it.
What was that? You had
What
beef
is
or something? What was all that about?
Thank you.
What is it?
Justin Bieber, baby. It's the song that you sent me. That the girl's doing. Justin Bieber.
No.
That's lonely lover.
No, that
Why would that be my favorite song?
He said one less lonely. She said one less lonely lover. I said, it's time for you to hang it up. Flat.
What is it?
Well, my favorite song is Love Scars by Lil Uzi. Thank you.
Girl, shut up.
Thank you. This song.
Girl, shut up.
So are you, she's gonna want people to go back to the 1800s to find her song.
It's not an 1800s, it's a 70s song.
Okay, well.
Wow,
You
1800.
wanted to dig
Yours-
that deep.
Who's your favorite
is-
artist?
Yours, we don't even know that song existed. What are you talking
Who's
about?
your
You
favorite-
want some?
Who's your favorite artist, Amani? They can put out anything and you would like it.
Y'all already know who my favorite artist is.
Nobody cares.
Next.
Beyonce. Stop playing with me.
Oh God, next.
Stop playing with her. She is not one of them.
Lonely lover.
Sorry, who's your favorite artist?
It's not even how the song
I have a
goes.
lot.
Alright, I'm sure.
Which one? Pick one.
Male. Male artist, Monty. No, we're gonna do female because Monty said female. Go ahead.
Nicki Minaj.
You know what, Nicki too.
Nicki Minaj.
Yes, baby love.
Nikki 3.
Why you bothering me? You want some? I'm gonna give you
don't
some.
like Nicki Minaj.
Cause you acting like you want
But
some.
who did I
Big
say is
Lotto.
woman? Is a woman.
Meg? I'm surprised you didn't pick Meg.
No, I said
Everything that Solange
favorite.
come out.
Big Lotto.
Everything that Solange come out, I like.
You know who I like? Jill
You
Scott.
don't know? You don't even listen to Jill Scott.
People
Yeah, I
be
do.
fronting.
Mind your
I
business.
I wish you would have
Said
said
this song to be on the playlist.
Jill
like
Scott,
Ari
Erica
Lennox.
Badu.
Chaka Pomegranate.
You're tripping.
Come live.
Big Lotto.
Alright, male artist. Monty.
Chris Beard.
I'm between Kanye West and Kendrick. Anything they come out with.
I don't like everything that Chris Brown come out with. Thank
I'm
you.
sure you don't.
Is it hot in here?
A guy? I
So
don't
y'all have
know.
to answer that because people swore I was lying about what's my favorite song. Like,
We never heard it.
yes, you have.
Wait, what was your
I'll
favorite
go.
song?
Me
Oh,
singing the
look,
song is not
look,
gonna help.
Is
That's not the same
no,
person.
is that's
That's Juice
not
WRLD.
even him.
That's Juice WRLD.
Oh,
Is it the
wow.
I know you're sick and tired of yeah that's the song?
Corvette,
That
Corvette.
is
That's
one of
on
my favorite songs, but that's
Corvette,
not the same
Corvette.
song.
Not gonna.
What's one of my favorite songs, Monty, other than the one I was already
They be
saying?
like, walk, walk, and walk like
For a
that.
guy, my favorite artist would be
Artist.
She said hers, not yours.
I said that
I'm
funny.
trying to see if you-
I'm trying to figure out. I said that funny,
You said it that hard. Artist?
She said order.
and then I said it with a list behind it.
Oh, I don't know.
Word to
You
my
know
heart.
what? Everybody at this table besides fashion and me are clowns. How about that? You the big clown today, I think. You're acting like a big clown right now.
Never. Confuse me with your twin.
Kanye.
Well,
Playing with you, I ain't bite down enough because you want
DMX is my go-to.
Okay, Shani said DMX.
it's like,
Oh, that's what she not
50
Oh,
Cent.
I
50,
love
50
DMX.
Cent. You love 50 Cent.
I love 50 Cent, old 50 Cent.
Yeah, you love.
Kanye.
Yo, remember that time we tried to have a battle?
Amani
Kendrick.
listens to Benzino. That's her favorite
favorite artist.
Ew. Shut up. This ain't like a muscle cramp.
Please. First of all, I don't even know one song of Benzino's. Okay?
You know what other song?
I like Nick Cannon.
What's
You like Nick Cannon, Azure?
Mm-hmm.
Let me guess. I'm a G. Oh, wait, song. That's her song, though. It really is.
She got
me.
forgot.
I don't know. I don't know what.
My body.
Honestly, I can say I like Casanova.
the cap?
He really don't.
I like Casanova.
Sis, what, you know 2 songs?
Casanova.
Give me
I
another
like that
song right now. Give me another one right now.
The Rapper. 1, 2, and 3. Oh.
Oh, I like King Von.
She can't.
How you like King Von? You just said your man's from 63rd.
I said the one that we was chasing after from 63rd. Listen, before you
Yeah,
say
you back. She just said
You know
funny.
what? I'm so tired of y'all trying to disrespect me.
It's gotta drop. I'm on this rapping.
Man, I'm trying to be nice.
Just met this. We gonna like
I'm tired. You tell the story.
What story y'all want me to tell?
I don't know, because your life is so thrilling.
My life is thrilling.
She gotta.
You know what?
Yeah.
You know what?
Patrick, go ahead. You feel the vibe. It's
You know what?
contagious. I'm not a song.
How about this?
I'm not a song now.
Shania, go check to see what your kids doing in my
They
room.
laid down.
You sure?
I just came out of there.
You didn't even get up.
I did. So when she run this back, you could see it.
Okay, I want to see it.
Yeah. So
back.
I want to see you get up.
if you can have a baby,
You Patrick Ciroc.
If I can have a baby with
If
what?
you
if
put
you
her in my
have a
car.
baby, no, I'm not.
Finish what you were saying.
If you have a baby with any celebrity, who would you have?
That's it.
You already know the name. Chris Brown.
I'll give you a baby.
100%. I'm not even thinking twice about that. I'm jumping on it.
If
Ain't
I
no
have
coming
with
back.
anybody.
Ain't no coming back. Chris Brown. Woo. Chris Brown, and then if not him, it would be J. Cole or Davey.
Estelita, please move.
First, I'm happy
Davey?
with.
Oh my god. Davey?
Hey, I'm baby with Jadena. Whatever his name is.
Classic.
Slick man. That's
Oh
gonna be a
man.
baby.
Oh yeah, he's cute.
Big baby.
Gonna.
Just
Next caller, cause you ain't talking about nothing,
who
bitch.
would I have a baby with?
Quarters.
What happened to 50 Cent?
Drake.
She's
Ew.
definitely lying.
You have been with Drake? You're lying.
Dog, come on, looking like Anna.
Cause you don't even like light-skinned boys.
Maybe.
Light skin.
It is not.
Yes, he
that
is.
light.
He lighter than you. And you the light.
Not light. First of all, I'm not even light. I'm black.
Let's move on.
So that's
to
a
the
recording.
next.
Partisan Fontaine. He just told like, you know how you see a dude like
Oh,
this
wait,
picture
from
him in your-
Love and Hip Hop.
No.
Not wait a minute. Not
Wait.
him.
I said Partisan Fontaine.
I
What are you talking about?
That is.
GHA Fresher.
Oh my God, backing it up with Cardi B.
Back.
Back.
Oh, him.
Yes.
Him thing tapped off.
You know how you have a look about like how you want your like not your famous dude, but like your ideal man to look. He has like that. He has like that. He don't look like he overdo it because I'm famous. Overdo it.
Benzino.
You know who I think overdo it, and they not even cute? Soulja Boy. I think Soulja Boy really be overdoing it.
I did not know Soulja Boy get that much money, and he is getting money.
Soulja Boy getting money. He's a YouTuber.
BDG. Yeah, young boy.
I don't have a baby with her too. The way
He's not ugly. He's kind of cute.
he just thought
It's like how that kind of mom
Funny to them
was.
screaming in my ear as they talking to each other. I'm sitting in
he got the curse in his forehead because he said that he broke his neck.
Pull my crap.
I didn't get one. My camera battery's dying, so this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. This is the only battery that I have.
Really? This is a
Make
whack
sure to like,
video.
comment, and
last one.
subscribe. And
All my social medias will be linked down
It's
below.
over.
At Body
It's already
by
gone.
Jones. At You
got
Got
it.
It.
It's going.
No, it's not. It's blinking. I was already.
No, that's your battery, right?
Yeah.
The recording is off.
No, it's not. The time is still moving.
It don't have the red thing. It looks like it's off. Okay, I see the red thing. It's my shiny.
All my social medias will be linked down below.
Mine too.
Subscribe to my channel. Give this video a like.
Different, the drip is different. I'm not a slave, but the whips is different. Smoking these L's, but the niggas stay winning. 6 headshots got you looking like Krillin. I'm like Ragu, so you know I be saucing. I'm not a dentist, but should I be flossing? Phones been ringing, the money be calling. All of these shooters, but they don't be ballin'. Drip, hey, the